Join us at Disney's best resort pool, Stormalong Bay. Come on, everybody. Stormalong Bay is a 750,000-gallon, 3-acre swimming pool complex that is shared between Yacht Club and the Beach Club resorts. While Disney resort pools are supposed to be limited to resort guests only, Stormalong Bay takes this very seriously. You must check in with a valid room key or magic band prior to being allowed into the swimming pool complex. One of the best features of this pool is the lazy river. This gentle current meanders around the lush landscapes of the entire pool area. It can be difficult to find a noodle or a floating chair to use in the lazy river, but once you do, it is well worth it. This area can get quite deep as 8 feet in some areas, so make sure you're cautious if you have little ones. It takes approximately 5 minutes to do a complete lap in the lazy river without putting forth any extra effort to either go fast or slow. Another unique feature of Stormalong Bay is the sand bottom pool. This unique area has a 0 depth entry and even has a sandbar, so it's a great place to let kids run around and build sandcastles. For the slightly more adventurous crowd, there's the Shipwreck water slide that is over 150 feet tall. Here's where the water slide begins, right all the way through, back behind those rocks, comes out down there. You must leave the gated area of Stormalong Bay in order to get to the main slide. For the less adventurous, there's a small slide and a shallow pool on the shipwreck itself. But here, we're going down the main slide. The tube that you're traveling on is getting you back across the walkway. There are 2 waterfalls that will get you quite soaked before you plunge into the main pool.
Here we go.
At night, Stormalong Bay is a different level of stunning. Stormalong Bay at Disney's Yacht and Beach Club resorts offers a magical water experience like no other. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.